Hi, Getty from GettyStewart.com here along the riverbank searching for stinging nettle because it is time to harvest that nettle. So you're going to find stinging nettle along the edge of a forest and some grassy areas, and we have a patch right here that is ready to harvest. It is late May here in Manitoba and the stinging nettle is ready to harvest. I have got my gloves, scissors, basket, long pants, long shirt, and I'm ready to get in there. When it comes to the right spot to cut stinging nettle, I'm very careful to cut so that the plant will thrive and survive and grow even fuller, so I can come back and harvest some more. So I go along the stem and I look where the leaves connect with the stem, and there's potential new growth in those nooks and crannies. And I can go down right here and you can see these little leaves on either side. They're going to bring out a new shoot, so this is going to be twice as much stinging nettle later on this summer. So I can just go ahead and do that on all these plants. Actually, I only want to do it to about 2/3. I want to leave a nice healthy stand of stinging nettle so that the plant does thrive. So here's an example of stinging nettle that has been cut a week ago, and you can see the new growth coming out. Here's the cut and there's the new growth. So people ask me, when's the best time to harvest stinging nettle? So I like harvesting early on in the season. It is end of May, early June, and that's a great time to harvest stinging nettle. The leaves are nice and green, there's no holes, there's very few insects on these leaves, so this is ideal time. It's also very tender and easy to cook. As stinging nettle matures, the leaves do get tougher. When it sets seeds, there's actually a silica, almost like a gritty sand-like texture that starts forming in the leaves as well. So you definitely want to harvest before it sets seeds and has this nice, lovely green color.